Hello again everybody, my name is Alan and I'm a digital creator out of Central Florida. In my last video I talked about my VIN conversion project and how I was going to document it. Well, this video is about one of the first thing I did to the VIN. Is the installation of a ceiling fan. Now before I get started with the actual installation, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about my approach. To be completely honest, I don't really have a plan. I just know that I have a list of items that are non-negotiable. Everything else I end up adding to the VIN is just bonus. I know I need a sofa or bed, a table or a desk. Lastly, I want some type of airflow, which means I need a window and a ceiling fan. Now let's get back to the installation of the fan. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. If you like the video, then go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Till next time.